In this video, we're going to be replacing this turbocharger bypass valve solenoid. It's under the hood, nice and easy to get to. Let's get into it. Under the hood, we're going to take this engine cover off. Just grab the cap, twist to the left, slide it off. Now just grab the cover, slide it up. Back here, you want to pull up and just slide the cover out of the way. We can put the oil cap back on just so we don't drop anything in there. You can see that the solenoid valve is located right here, attached to the intake. We're going to disconnect the connector, just push down, slide it off, comes off pretty easily. And then there's 3 hoses attached. You don't want to mix those hoses up, keep in mind where they go. You can use some needle nose pliers, just move those hose clamps. Then if you have some hose pliers, you can use those, or just regular pliers would work. Just try to slide these off. I'll just put this one over here, just so I remember. Then the other 2. The hoses will tend to want to go where they rest, but just in case, keep in mind where they go. Give it a little twist, slide it off, slide this hose over here. And slide that one off. Now there is a little push pin here with the retainer holding this on. What you can do is just slide this out of the way, and then grab the valve and just slide it up. And take the new valve, we're going to install it the same way. Slide it in position, and just slide that retainer over. And install the hoses just like they came off. Start with this back one. Slide the hose clamps in position. And this one over here. And last, the front one. Take the connector, line it up, and lock it down. Take the cap back off, slide it in position, and press it down, put the cap back on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.